Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So we get a lot of questions about how can I have two SolidCAM projects open at the same time so I can go back and forth. Well, it's very easy. So you'll see right here I have a part open, and all I'm going to do is open up another instance of SolidWorks. So I'll go ahead and start opening up that. Now you'll get this error that's saying since we're opening up two versions of SolidWorks at the same time that it cannot auto-recover. So that's fine. We'll just hit OK. And now we'll see that we have another instance of SolidWorks open. So from right here, I can just go to Tools, SolidCAM Open. And we'll just click on a part file right here. And now you'll see we'll have two SolidCAM parts. So what I'm going to do is, if you guys are running, this works much better if you guys are running two monitors, but I'll just kind of shrink this one down over here. And now you can see I have two parts, two different ones, and I can go back and forth on each one and take a peek at the operation. So if I need to come in here and look at my tooling or something like that, then I can come over on this side and do the same as well. So you guys can do some comparing back and forth. You can do the simulations. So this is the best way to have two SolidCAM parts open at the same time. And for those of you guys that want to look back and forth between projects to maybe see what you did, you can do that as well and keep adding operations going forward. So I just want to show you guys that for the tip of the day, and look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow for the tip of the day. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.